Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side. Under the glove box, remove the cabin filter flange cover by unclipping the part that goes up on the flange, then pulling towards you. Remove the filter from its housing. Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
There are several types of cabin filter. The white ones mainly stop dust. The black ones are activated carbon filters and filter out dust, odors, and gases. The choice is yours. Take the new filter. Slide the filter into its housing, paying careful attention to the flow of air. The arrows must point to the driver's side. Put the cover back on. Operation completed.